again. Why are you doing this? Oh shit.
Oh my
Here we
God.
go. Here we go.
Jillian, why are we doing this here?
Because you want it.
Oh, fuck.
Look right up there. And keep your eyes open for the camera.
Mommy! Please take me home! Take me home! Oh my God! Right, down! Put me down. Oh God! Are we down yet? No, we're still up! We're still up! Oh, put me down! Put me down! Put me down!
I'm gonna walk.
Oh,
Here
we're
we
still
go
up!
again.
We're still up!
Here we go again.
No, we're not going to get.
We are.
We're not. Holy shit! Jesus Christ! I've never seen one thing.
Alright.
Oh my God!